Have you ever skipped a waxing appointment? You're not alone. What happens when you go too long without a Brazilian wax? Brace yourself. The truth might surprise you. Let's discuss hair growth. 2 weeks without waxing feels fine. Then it becomes 4 weeks, possibly 2 months. Suddenly, you're in jungle mode. Long gaps between waxes can lead to discomfort. Sweat, chafing, and even odor become real problems. It can affect your confidence during intimacy too. Now, let's address ingrown hairs. They can be painful, red, and annoying. But here's some good news: regular exfoliation helps. Consider gentle scrubs or AHAs. These methods can prevent ingrown hairs. Plus, waxing reduces irritation over time. Consistent waxing makes hair finer and skin smoother. If it's been a while since your last wax, don't panic. Start with a gentle maintenance wax to ease back in. It might sting a bit. Use numbing cream before your appointment. Avoid caffeine that day, too.
Consistency is key.
The more you wax, the easier it gets. Choose a licensed esthetician with good reviews. Hygiene matters in a salon. Hard wax is suitable for sensitive areas. It's less painful and more precise. Remember aftercare. Aloe vera gel, loose clothing, and skipping the gym after waxing matters. How you care for your skin post-wax can impact results. Between waxes, keep your skin smooth. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times weekly and hydrate daily. Make hair removal a self-care routine, not a burden. Whether you wax, shave, or let it grow is your choice. Confidence is all about feeling comfortable in your skin. If this helped you feel more informed, like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more real talk about health. Stay smooth and empowered. See you next time.